Angincane umuntu mina. Ngisho ngaphuza utshwala bakho namhlanje ngakusasa mase ungidakela ngizokutshela uyangidakela. Ngisho ngadla namhlanje ukhipha isithebe esimane selembo lena kuthiwa yasungasithi lekuthiwa yegwili le lembo lena kuthiwa ithi ishe ngaphansi ishe ngaphezulu ishe ngaphezulu ngamva ilokhithi kwamnani akusasa mawuthi uphethile fosaka
Bacingwane ake sibuye la ensukwini nje uthukuthelisa abantu abaningi la ukhuluma kabi ngabaholi abaningi futhi angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani uthe accuse ama-mayors IFP uthi awasazi isingisi ukusho kanjani lokho ngoba i-IFP have got ama-mayors afundile abuya ko-UCT abuya ko-Mangosuthu University of Technology and other different institutional higher learning ukuthatha ukuthi abasazi isingisi
babe ufundani if the IFP can remain the regional party in their presence what they were going to learn
but
babe
ufunda nokucampaign akuhlukene
no if they can agree ukuthi they are like an NFP is built under the shadow of IFP is an engard group of the people and then bashikiriswa umama uZanele kaMagwaza wabashikirisa ngempela wagula ngisho umntwana ophinda angena uyamazi nje leya mama lo hayo into okudlala ungazi kahle nje so lezo zinto lezo so ke manje ke how possible it is ukuthi beyabaholi ngoba ukufunda nokuhlakanipha kusho ukuba national ukuthi you must cater the national issues namanje nje uhlabisa futhi ngabe udebate ama-issues kagesi lapha futhi ngabe uyena o-appointwa njengominister kagesi oba kuthiwa uzoku-appoint uminister kagesi kodwa uhlabisa umu-appoint ukuthi izululand yonke ingenamanzi uhlabisa wonke uhlupheka as a former mayor yakhona akho ngisho nothing there's
nothing uhlabisa phela akwazi uku-appointa ku-executive eholwa i-ANC ngoba akuyona i-IFP ephethe ugovernment uRamaphosa ohola ugovernment
no kungenzeka lokho a president got all right even to appoint myself, even to appoint Nangu Paul Plose to 2 members of the National Assembly and the Cabinet that can be appointed everywhere in the country to lead a certain portfolio because this is government we have voted. And then myself, I can be appointed as a minister of anything, as a national member. Who is clever?
Yeah, back again sinongiza umlando kwamchunu insizwa yalapha enkandla insizwa ke le engancinga imuntu evela ithi yona iqashe ngenkani yayo encinga eqashwa umuntu uyasithembisa ukuthi ngonyaka ozayo yena uyahamba eParliament futhi uzongena ngizokhumbula ukuthi ngaphandle nje ukuthi mhlambe uyayikhulumela noma akayikhulumeli kuke kwaba nomthetho ama political parties amaningi noma ama civil organization aye constitutional court la afika iwin case ukuthi everyone ofuna ukuba represented eParliament must go there with a vote public representative njengoba kusuke kwenzeka kuma councillor asuke ama independent but ke ngicine ngakasayinwa into law kunama delays alokho ekhona eParliament but once law mthetho wasayinwa into law we can actually see abantu abafana nabo ngizwe noDuduzane Zuma nabo Musi Maimane bengena eParliament beyimela ngokwabo ngaphandle ukuthi bangene kwamaqembu athize. Mr Mkhulu asibuye la ugabe ngevoti lamabhenci ukuthi maningi amabhenci and ngonyaka ozayo uzimisela ukuthi showcase uyalingenela ukhetho ufuna ukuya kwi-National Assembly.
Angaze ngisho ukuthi ngiyangenela ukhetho uyabheda lapho. Lapho uyabheda nje. Angaze ngisho ukuthi ngiyangenela ukhetho ngithe mina ngizobe kwi-National Assembly. Kumnyama kubomvu.
Futhi kuzobe khona ukhetho lokho.
Ngayila musu ukufuna ukugumbuluka ukuthi ufuna ukubona khonana ukholwa ibhokisi ukuthi khona idumbu phakathi musa wena ukufuna ukubona ukuthi idumbu isidumbu izinto eziphakathi kodwa into ebalekile lapho ukuthi mina nginyaka ozayo I will be in the National Assembly and I will be the minister there uminister nje inkani yami izomqasha inkani production izomqasha ukuthi ngiyongena phakathi kwi-National Assembly ngoba ukuqala nje we are very sad as a nation without being tribalist. We are the majority of people in southern zone of hemisphere. Akekho ongangathi njengoZulu. In the African continent, we are the #1 kingdom, as a Zulu kingdom. We are the #1 people in KwaZulu-Natal, we are the second in GDP. In terms of economical structure, production and everything, okay, we are the second after Gauteng. So therefore, without a Gauteng province and KwaZulu-Natal, no one can go to parliament in this country. If you can say, Gauteng stop and don't vote, KwaZulu-Natal stop and don't vote, no one can go to parliament. You can only see Helen Zille coming back to take his own organization and becoming the president of this country. And then we are go back to dictatorship and apartheid. Therefore, as I'm here, as the president of the Benga Nation, I want to tell you and set a record straight that my NC ehlulekile ukurepresenta in the biggest organization like NC in an African continent. Ukuthi kube nomuntu omzulu oyirepresentayo. They fail they fail the country. There's no problem with the ANC. The problem as the organization, there's no problem with the ANC as organization, but there's a problem about its own members and the leadership crisis within the ANC. Because ANC must lead, and they will lead